Invention SMARY77 Title SMARTY Inventor Germain Morton. Abstract SMARY77, SMARY77, an optical head-mounted display supplying a augmented reality perspective 1/2, controlled by novel gestural movements. SMARY77 optical head-mounted projector or image projector is an optical device that projects an image, or moving images, onto a surface, commonly a projection screen controlled by novel gestural movements. Including two virtual retinal display, a retinal projector is a projector that projects an image directly on the retina instead of using an external projection screen. One common feature of the SMARY77 wearable computer is their persistence of activity. There is constant interaction between the wearable and user, so there is no need to turn the device on or off. SMARY77 optical head-mounted projector infrared light captures the images of the illuminated fingers, and sends the images to the signal processing software. The position of the illuminated fingers is detected and localized by the software, and it will be transformed to the related key input events, mapping coordinated events. SMARY77 optical head-mounted display supplying a augmented reality perspective, also projects an image, or moving images, onto a surface controlled by novel gestural movements APR-based motion detectors. The optic tracker, eye tracking is the process of measuring either the point of gaze, where one is looking, or the motion of an eye relative to the head. An eye tracker is a device for measuring eye positions and eye movement. Eye trackers are visual system, as an input device for this human-computer interaction, measuring eye movement, signals processing software eye position, to related key input events, mapping coordinated events of the front optic viewpoint. There is constant interaction between the wearable that projects an image, or moving images, and user. Another feature of the SMARY77 optical head-mounted display supplying a augmented reality perspective is the ability to multitask with ultrasound feature, a method of diagnosing illness and viewing internal body structures in which sound waves of high frequency are bounced off internal organs and tissues from outside the body. The technique measures different amounts of resistance the body parts offer to the sound waves, and then uses the data to produce an image, or moving images of the structure's augmented reality perspective controlled by eye tracking signals processing software of measuring the point of gaze, novel gestural movements corresponding with ultrasound software perspective is the ability to multitask. Ultrasound is often used to obtain an image of the developing fetus in pregnant women. The image can confirm the presence of twins or triplets and can be used to diagnose some abnormalities. Sound is a longitudinal mechanical wave transmitted through the medium by local displacement of particles within the medium. The displacement of the particle from their equilibrium position produces changes in the medium density, areas of compression/rarefaction. Ultrasound is defined as sound with frequencies above the human audible range between 20 Hz and 20.000 Hz. Diagnostic medical ultrasound uses frequencies from 1.000.000 to 40.000.000 Hz equals 1 to 40 MHz. MHz. The ultrasound wave is often graphically displayed as a sine wave in which the peaks and nadirs represent the areas of